dress. Oh, kiss me beneath the milky twilight. Lead me out on the moonlit.
Hi, get ready with me. It's another day, another night. Let me just do my light makeup before going to work. So after cleansing my face, I'm using facial cleanser na Skin White. I'm applying Dazzle Me sunscreen SPF 50. Then I let it dry. Let my skin absorb that product. Then I'm using this Bay Free Pore Minimizer Face Primer. If you wanna look flawless and maiwasan magkiki yung makeup, better use pore minimizer face primer before doing your makeup. After applying Bay Free Pore Minimizer Face Primer, I'm gonna use this BYS Concealer Light. So if you're morena, you can use the medium tone of this BYS. But if you have a fair skin, you can use the light shade or light tone. This is the light tone I'm using, so I'm just putting a thin layer in my under eye, in my chin, a bit in my cheeks, and in my forehead. So there, konti lang para magpantay ang aking uneven tone. At syempre, I'm gonna apply this as well in my neck. So medyo bumabalik na nga yung kulay ng aking leeg. Because yeah, we're aware, due to pregnancy, nagda-dark talaga yung neck. Then for my eyebrow, I'm gonna use this Bay Free Thickening Eyebrow Gel. Uy, ang ganda nito. I love this Bay Free Thickening Eyebrow Gel. It has a fiber, so parang hindi na drawing. May na-add siya na parang real hair. It's so nice para sa katulad kong manipis ng kilay. It's like a microblading tattoo yung effect niya. Actually, I wanna try the microblading tattoo. Para alam mo yun, hindi na ako nagkikilay. As in, permanent na siya. Kaya lang, ayaw ni Mister. And worried lang din ako, baka kasi yung result hindi ko naman magustuhan. Permanent na yun, di ba? So soon, pag-iisipan ko pa kasi parang gusto ko talaga ng microblading tattoo. And if my hubby will agree. So yun, since I have a husband, his approval, consent, and opinion is very important. And I'm just so happy about it. Kasi ever since, I'm always making a decision for myself. And I don't have someone I can ask before I dive into that decision. So ngayon na may asawa na ako, I have someone I can ask, I can depend to. Since napakatagal ko naging independent guys, nakakapagod. Ngayon, having a partner in everything is a blessing. Going back, I'm done with my kilay. For my eyeshadow, I'm gonna use this Nadine Lustrous palette. I'm gonna apply the shades I'm usually using almost every day. I'm just blending 3 shades. For my full eyelids, I'm using light brown. Then I'm gonna add dark brown in the half of my eyelids. And sa dulo is naglagay ako ng konting black. As in, sobrang konti lang. And once I'm done blending it, I'm gonna use my favorite All Glow Pink Flush Eyeshadow Stick. Right now, I'm using the pink shimmer. It comes with 2 shades, a gold shimmer, tsaka etong pink. So I'm just putting this in the middle of my eyelids. Then I'm gonna use my fingertips to blend it. So there, I'm done with my eyeshadow. For my eyelashes, I'm gonna use this Maybelline Lash Lift Mascara. This Maybelline Lash Lift Mascara is very nice, guys. It's easy to apply. Hindi siya messy. Hindi siya nagbubuo-buo like other mascara. And it's waterproof. And look how it enhanced my eyelashes. So there, I'm done with my eyes. I'm gonna use this Kim Yus blush powder. And I have my favorite brush stick that's from Nichido. Kaya konti lang naman. Maglalagay lang ako ng konti dito sa aking cheeks. You know, I also have contour but I'm not using it every day. Kasi I'm not confident on how to apply it. And also, the more na nag-a-add ako ng product sa aking face, feeling ko ang heavy ng makeup ko. So, hayaan na natin na chubby yung cheeks ko. Kasi if I'm gonna use contour, diba, it will look my face slim. Also, I'm not used to do nose line because I'm always rubbing my nose. So, ganito lang yung everyday makeup ko. I'm using face powder nga pala ng DW in the shade of number 2. Then, for my lip tint, I'm using Pink Flush. And lastly, I'm gonna finish this look using this makeup setting spray ng Dazzle Me. I learned to use this makeup setting spray so I don't have to reapply my makeup. So, yan. Ganyan na yan hanggang sa pag-uwi ko kinabukasan. I'm just letting it dry. While waiting for it to dry, let me just brush my hair and put some Fender Care powder sa aking neck. And I'm using this Sakura perfume. Medyo mild lang yung amoy nito. Very fresh naman. So yan, pakasimple lang natin for today's video. Just wearing green blouse, having my green sling bag. Also using this green printed bear socks. O yung medyas na yan, just 58 pesos lang yung bili ko for 10 pairs na. And I have this pastel green bracelet pala. So palitan ko muna yung favorite black bracelet ko nitong pastel green. Nabili ko to sa Quiapo last year or 2 years ago na siguro yun. So yun, dinala niya ako sa Quiapo sa bilihan ng mga beads. Gusto ko nga bumalik dun sa susunod. Anyways, nandiyan na nga yung sundo ko. Sasabay lang ako sa kapatid ko si GL kasi papunta siyang Maynila. And si Hubby is rest day ngayon kaya ako lang ang papasok today. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Bye!